No, let him wait, Oga. Please, why did you do this to me, Yimubiri? Please, I don't want them. I know you are saying you are sorry, but I know you. Did I do anything to offend you? No. Why would you molest a 7-year-old?
Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. And we see the matter of Baba Ijesha. I know, say for Nigeria, one wahala they finish, another one they enter. And that was not throughout last week. This week now, Baba Ijesha till next week before another person you jump come outside. Okay, Princess Webby comedian don't finally release the video when they take Babe Baba Ijesha when they do the thing, you understand? So the video now they can't release, and that's okay. Make I just still let una know what they on board. Say the latest don't come because people they trauma to Princess. They even they tell her say they will buy her, they will delete her, you understand? So now Princess can't come outside with the evidence. Say make they come see what they happen. Say he no lie. Say they talk say in the top for the man math. Say the man not talk say in do or he not do. You understand? So the thing come vex sister Princess, Madam Princess, because she don't marry. That man say she not the husband as again. The husband don't run live on. Me could not vex my people. So now so the matter te sup. What it can happen now, my country people? How it take play? Princess say why he release the video now because of the way some people say they talk to her. Say she no appreciate their talk at all. And now those one they make her say she converse, can say okay, this video he would like to just release and make people hear. Make they not talk say he no like Baba Ijesha. You understand? So and I know say a lot of celebrity for Yoruba people, most of them are laroro. So they come out, come they rant, they talk back to this lady for here, say she not doing well. Why she will bring the video? Why she will talk say Baba Ijesha do that kind thing? So as I get that video just now, I say okay, make I release and give una, make una hear wetin dey sup for inside Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, Baba Ijesha don't finally, the video don't finally come outside say Baba Ijesha is guilty of all charges. Me, AB World Entertainment, the lawyer of Baba Ijesha, be the judge of Baba Ijesha, say Baba Ijesha they guilty of everything when he do. Okay, I take they guilty, make una hear the latest video. I go play the video for una, make una hear and I take they guilty. So after the CCTV people where they plot and put for house don't come, they come they interview and say why you do this one, why person where you fed this one 7 years ago you can't still come back again, can't still say you want you die, you can't still come do one again, can't this one am again. Waiting they stop, waiting they happen. Make una listen to what Baba Ijesha talk. Baba Ijesha say now the work of the Mr. Devil. Who be Mr. Devil? He said na Papa Devil. Na he cause am. Say he be not doing intentionally now because say Papa Devil not leave am for waste. Na he make am he go do the something. Now Princess come ask and say why? Because Baba Ijesha now know say the man a married man before. I don't know what he end the marriage with his wife. So now he can't get problem. Now this woman they put am for house when she come make that make he take get like as the man get stress, this Baba Ijesha get stress with the family. So the princess will be comedian come put am for house, say make come they live with her. You understand? So the next thing now, and another secret wey still dey inside the plate, the cocoa why he put her, she was heartbroken because say he husband only pack with his side chick because of say Princess will be comedian. I don't forget her real name. She no born for her husband. Now the man say he no fit. He need pikin for this life. So the man come pack all property. He come waka comot go meet the side chicken. So now she no want. None of all the celebrity they live fake life. You understand? Most of them. So he no want make people hear the matter say no man for his house. You understand? They say e good as the man not there. Like people don't know say you no get husband than this kind of thing happen to you. You understand? So when Papa Ijesha call and say pàdé mi o mo ní problem kan o mi ò nílé under bridge ni mo ń sùn ní ìsìn so mo need ìrànlọ́wọ́. He say he no need he no get anywhere where in the stay na under bridge in the stay so make this woman come assist am. You understand? Now the woman come say okay. Now the woman come say okay, no problem. He go assist you. Tanto, he no still get husband for her. No be say he like Papa Ijesha, no be taste. But he just know, you know what make people know wetin dey sup. You understand? So na so the matter take happen. At the end of the story, Papa Ijesha don't fair do this girl, this small pikin. You understand me? I speak the language where this YouTube people no understand. You don't fair do one waiting they know they do person. When the come still see am again, and the pikin come still recognize am again, Papa Ijesha come still continue again. Still go this one am again. Now that one come pain princess for inside come say why you go do this something? And he come still talk say he still put am for school because the man no come dey get lead road for movie industry again. Why? Because of say in movie where they act, you know too they say and you know go to school. So you'll be like all this what did they call this apprentice? This lawyer will be apprentice for under mango tree. So now it be. So he can't talk, say okay, no problem. He go put you for school so that may you for take the get lead road for movie again. You understand? Come put this agbalagba. This agbaya come put am for film for school again with her money. Come enroll the man, do everything. At the end, this man come use this pay am back. And all the people where they talk say Papa Ijesha na innocent. Princess, when you frame up, he wants for a career. I bet more of una gather here with una popcorn. Make una come hear the latest about Papa Ijesha. Say Papa Ijesha, they say na Mr. Devil. Na he say na. So now it's okay. Make I just let una know say. Princess, they do this something step by step. If they wait for people where get bad mouth, we want talk about her, but say she not be better person. So as she just say, see what all these people they do. Now she release this video. Now she can't tell me send them to me say, make me still send them. Make I show people. Say see what they happen. See her Papa Ijesha matate sopo. So my people, now the matter now with the settle since. So the video where Papa Ijesha for the beg princess say he no do and well say na mistake. May princess forgive her. The video don't ready surface to my people. So make una grab una copy for AB World Entertainment Studio. That's okay. And I just need to let everybody know how they play for here. So my people, and the video now go soon release give una. I beg my new subscriber, I dey thank una well because of this subscriber una they give me every minute when I watch my video. Oh my God, you guys are genius. My old subscriber, I love you because why una they support, una they come back to come watch my video. They always they leave comment for me for comment section. Una they always they share my video. Now only Papa God go feel bless una the way una take love me, you understand? Now only Papa God will bless una. Somebody like Mr. Papa Ijesha, no will know una house, come visit. Doctors have said he won't even rent one room or collect room for him to do film for una house in the mighty name of Jesus. So my country people, make I leave una for this junction. We go see for another video where you know what to take. And remember una humble sister. AB World Entertainment. So I leave una for here, make una enjoy the full video where they say open Papa Ijesha nyash put for outside. So I will see una for another video where you know to say. I beg all of una where they talk say Papa Ijesha na innocent. Make una judge this matter, make una leave comment for comment section. So by doing so, bless. Bye everyone. Love you all. Stay blessed and I see you in my other video. Bye bye.
No, let him wait, Oga. No. Please, why did you do this to me, Yimubiri? Please, I don't want them. I know you are saying you are sorry, but I know you. Did I do anything to offend you?
No.
Why would you molest a 7-year-old? I'm saying almost 7+. If you are telling me pay is the devil, fine.
You should not talk about devil now. Only thing they are making now.
But after everything I did for you, why?
You tried.
But why? But I want to understand. I took out my time, registered you in the school. The only thing I didn't even do was allow you to stay in my house. And that was because my marriage just broke up and I didn't want people to. So what did I do to deserve this?
Oh, deserve it. If I'm lying, look, deserve it. But me, more about this thing, carrying. Mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ tó bá kọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́pẹ́ gbé mi lọ ẹ jẹ́ kí n kàn para mi ẹjọ́.
No, you have not even answered my question. Why molest a 7-year-old? Is sexual molestation, is it right?
You just tell me I don't understand about this one.
I understand him now. What she was on English?
No, the thing is that he molested her when she was 7. And then he came now that she's 14.
So do it again. Okay, why do it again now? Why do it again now? Okay, tell us, why do it again now?
I won't say not do it.
No, but why do it again now? I'm going to come. Why do it again now? Why do it again now? Why do it again now? Where is he going? Mashe, leave it. No, don't bother. Sit down back. My bother. I'm talking to you as a friend because I know that you had issues. And that issue, I went all out. I'm asking you, why harass a child at 7 years old and come back and harass her at 14? You are not giving me any cogent reason. You are saying it's them. But Muti, you didn't drink.
Kò lè, òun náà rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, dáríjì mi.